Every bottle of Coca-Cola begins its journey here, in massive sugarcane farms.
In some regions, sugar beets replace cane, as Coca-Cola is an essential sweetener source.
Strict tracking systems ensure complete transparency, from farm harvest to factory intake.
From fields to factories, Coca-Cola's billion-dollar journey officially begins here. Coca-Cola's sweetness starts here, as raw sugarcane is crushed into pure juice. Precise crystallization creates consistent sugar crystals used throughout Coca-Cola production worldwide.
Water purification is critical, forming the foundation of every Coca-Cola beverage.
Refined ingredients now travel to Coca-Cola factories, ready for syrup and soda creation. Every Coca-Cola factory begins with controlled ingredient arrivals, ensuring traceability and consistent quality.
Every ingredient batch is sampled and tested before entering Coca-Cola's beverage production process.
Only verified ingredients move forward, protecting Coca-Cola's reputation for quality and safety.
With ingredients approved and secured, Coca-Cola production moves confidently towards syrup blending.
In these blending rooms, Coca-Cola's iconic syrup begins with precision-controlled sugar and water.
Strict temperature control protects flavor integrity during Coca-Cola syrup production.
Continuous sampling confirms syrup quality before Coca-Cola beverage production begins.
We have a pressure spike in the main blending tank.
I see it. Rerouting the coolant now. The alarm should clear.
With syrup perfected, Coca-Cola production advances toward carbonation and final beverage creation.
Carbon dioxide injection gives Coca-Cola its unmistakable fizz, enjoyed by billions worldwide.
Automated flow systems keep Coca-Cola production fast, flexible, and contamination-free. Precise cooling stabilizes Coca-Cola before it reaches high-speed bottling lines. Carbonation complete, Coca-Cola is now ready for high-speed bottling and packaging. Coca-Cola bottles begin as tiny preforms, transformed by heat and air. Internal coatings protect Coca-Cola's flavor inside every aluminum can. Conveyor systems deliver containers seamlessly to Coca-Cola as non-stop filling operations. Containers complete, Coca-Cola production advances toward high-speed filling and sealing.
Ultra-fast filling machines pour Coca-Cola at incredible speeds while preserving carbonation and flavor.
High-speed labeling ensures Coca-Cola branding remains flawless across billions of bottles worldwide. Shrink wrapping secures Coca-Cola multi-packs for safe transport and retail handling.
Packaged and palletized, Coca-Cola products are now ready for worldwide delivery.
Climate-controlled warehouses protect Coca-Cola products while awaiting distribution across global markets.
We have a discrepancy in the Southeast Asia sector.
Rerouting the next shipment based on current consumption data.
Truck logistics move Coca-Cola products efficiently from factories to regional distribution hubs.
Export operations ensure Coca-Cola products meet regulations in every global market.
From farms to factories, Coca-Cola now refreshes billions of people around the world.